The architect of 108 dreams, my life's mission, 108 steps of service. 40 years ago, I dedicated my life to the classroom. Today, I have taken that classroom to the world. What began as my personal promise to the next generation has now culminated in a monumental milestone. 108 motivational talks. I did not just witness this journey, I lived every mile of it. Over the past few months, I have personally reached out to nearly 40,000 students. Whether I was speaking to curious 8th graders or ambitious MBA graduates, I stood before them not just as a speaker, but as a mentor who believes in their potential. At 65 years of age, while others choose the quiet of retirement, I chose the rigors of the road. Through the AP Lions Seva Yagnam, I transformed my lifelong passion for botany and teaching into a solo crusade for youth empowerment. I made the conscious choice to fund this entire mission from my own pocket, because to me, true leadership isn't about what you gather, it's about what you scatter. The number 108 is a sacred tribute to the century-long legacy of Lions Clubs International. But for me, it represents the 40,000 lives I have touched. I am Lion Anpreddi Kotireddy. This mission is my life's work. As I reflect on these highlights, my resolve only grows stronger. As long as my health permits and my resources last, I will continue to lead, to speak, and to inspire. I have spent my life planting seeds of knowledge. Now, I am watching a forest of future leaders grow.
మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది అపజయాలు కలిగిన చోటే గెలుపు పిలుపు వినిపిస్తుంది ఆకులన్నీ రాలిన చోటే కొత్త చిగురు కనిపిస్తుంది మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది అపజయాలు కలిగిన చోటే గెలుపు పిలుపు వినిపిస్తుంది ఆకులన్నీ రాలిన చోటే కొత్త చిగురు కనిపిస్తుంది తెలుసుకుంటే సత్యమిది తలచుకుంటే సాధ్యమిది మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది ఉంచుకో